Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your headphones Baseus Bowie H1 on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search at the bottom. Then click at the search line at the top and write Baseus. Now search, and you should install this application what's called Baseus. Now open it. So you can sign in into your account or you can create a new account. Also at the right top you can select a region, but we need to click I have read, and then you can do this. I'm going to like a guess, then I'm going to enter here, accept. Right here I'm going to allow it while using the app, but it's up to you, you can select something else. Then add device and agree. And again while using the app, okay, we need to click allow here to find these headphones. Then and now if I click, yeah, we just finish setuping on this application. In the next video I will show you how to add these headphones to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!